So this is the Tefal Soleil Blender. I think I've said that right, Soleil. Anyway, this one is fantastic value for money. When you look at the price of it in comparison to some of the competitors, it does a lot of the functions it should already do with the more expensive ones. Tefal, as you know, is a good brand name. Aside from that, in terms of what it can do up to 2 pints worth of liquid or volume within the blender. That's 40 ounces for those that work in ounces. To actually unlock it, it's very, very simplistic. Turn it to the left and up. So you'll see here, you've got a couple of badges here to let you know when it's locked safely and when it's unlocked. So definitely don't try and mix it when it's unlocked. The other good thing about this is the top. So you can look in, that's a little eye viewing part, it's solid at the top here. What you can do is take it off if you want to pour it directly in, or if you need to take off the full lid, just turn it to the right and lift it. So the blades are stainless steel. There's something very fancy called triplax. Essentially just means a lot of blades that are stainless steel. But the point is that stainless steel is not going to rust, a lot easier to clean, and again, hand wash only with this, just to clarify. It is a 500 watt blender, so it is powerful. I'll just turn it on in a minute so you can hear it. Just bear in mind the fact that there's nothing in it, so it will be a bit quieter when you do have food or something in it. So to put this back on, we'll just go like that, turn to the right. You'll see, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, it's green here, so it's locked. I'm going to put this back on. I'm going to go pop onto the right here, turn to the right, lock, and pop on the lid. Just remember to put on the lid, you don't want a big water feature above your blender. Anyway, in terms of the buttons, you have a pulse mode, 1, 2 and 3. Obviously 1 being the softest, 3 being the hardest, and pulse is off and on. So if you've got something that's quite bulky, like, I don't know, big fruits or anything that you're trying to do, pulse is usually the best thing to do, just so it doesn't overflow and become a bit volatile in there. So, one thing just before I actually turn it on, I just forgot to say, is when you turn it like this, and if that's not fully green, like it is here, if it was like this for example, watch this, it's not going to turn on. Until you fully turn it on to the green, that's when it'll turn on. So listen to this noise, it is a bit loud because it's empty, but you get the point. So, powerful motor, safe, that's the key thing, and very easy to use. So definitely recommend, I think, with the features and the safety of this thing and how well it's built, I think it's absolutely fantastic value for money.